A man in a closed cabin which is falling freely does not experience gravity. So he may not experience gravity. He feel that freely falling. It doesn't mean that gravity is not acting on it. Gravity mg is acting on it, and he may not feel it because of the reason that he will not feel weight, because of the reason that pseudo force is acting in the opposite direction. So he will not feel the weight. That is correct. And reason it is given that inertial and gravitational masses have equivalence. Inertial and gravitational masses have equivalence means inertial mass is equal to gravitational mass. Inertial mass means the mass which is responsible for deceleration or acceleration, or something which is opposing acceleration, or acceleration is opposed by mass. That is, according to this equation, acceleration is equal to force divided by mass. So this is known as nothing but inertial mass, and the mass that we are using in the equation F is equal to m into a. And there is another mass which is responsible for gravitational force of attraction. So that mass we call it as gravitational mass. Basically, gravitational mass and inertial masses are basically same only. So inertial and gravitational masses have equivalence, but the reason is not giving the correct reason for the assertion.